Good morning, students. You will be fit and healthy at your home, students. In the third part of the video, we will discuss about types of sentences, phrase and its types. Type of sentences. Sentences can be divided into different types on the basis of their meanings. Number 1, declarative sentence. Declarative sentence make statements or some kinds of observation. They are of two types. Number 1, affirmative sentence. These sentences simply say means whatever we say or a statement something. Example, I like to eat mangoes. Sentence structure here, subject plus verb plus object, and now negative sentence. These sentences express a negative meaning. Example, I do not go to school. Sentence structure here, subject plus do not plus first form of verb plus object. Number 2, interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence asks a question and is followed by putting the auxiliary verb before the noun or by beginning the sentence with a WH word and ending it with a question mark. Example, don't you like reading? This is question mark. So sentence structure here, helping verb plus subject plus verb plus object. Like this with WH word plus helping verb plus subject plus first form of verb plus object here. In the third number, imperative sentence. Imperative sentence express request, commands, advices or suggestions. In such sentences, the subject is invariably the second person pronoun you. This is in hiding position every time, which is generally implied. Means, example, go to here, sorry, go to your room. This is command. In the second sentence, please don't call me. This is request. When we use please in any sentence, in that sentence we request. In the fourth number, exclamatory sentence. Such sentences express sudden, strong feelings like surprise, delight, disgust, and grief. An exclamatory sentence ends with an exclamation mark. Example, what a beautiful sight! Mark of exclamation. Some more examples. How beautiful is the day! This is exclamatory. Sachin is a great cricketer. This is declarative sentence. What are you doing? Interrogative sentence. Because here we are asking question. In the fourth sentence, I cannot believe him to be the murderer. This is declarative negative sentence. Now we will talk about phrase. A phrase is made up of a group of words that makes sense but not complete sense. It does not have a subject and a predicate. For example, my friend is a good football player. My friend is a phrase and a good football player. In the given example, two groups of words, my friend and a good football player, are phrases. Here are some more examples of phrases like in spite of, in a corner, pink in color, at the shop. All these are phrases. Feature of phrases. Phrases do not have a subject and a predicate. This is clear? They cannot stand by themselves. Phrases do not make complete sense. Now, we will talk about the type of phrases. A phrase can act as an adjective, a noun, or an adverb. There are three types of phrases: noun phrase, adjective phrase, adverb phrase. First of all, we will discuss about noun phrase. A noun phrase is one that acts as a noun in a sentence. Example, he expected to reach home early. Dark colored words are phrases word. Noun phrases word here. Now we ask, what did he expect? Answer, the answer we get is to reach home early. Like this we can find out the noun clause in the sentence. Example, he wanted to learn Hindi. I like to sing. All these color words, every sentence is phrases, yani noun phrases here. Now, we are giving some more example. Underline the noun phrase. She hopes to win the first prize. To win the first prize in this sentence, phrase means noun phrase. In the second sentence, to confess one's guilt is difficult. To confess one's guilt is noun phrase here. In the third sentence, I saw the big crowd. The big crowd here, noun phrase. In the fourth sentence, can you read the printed matter? The printed matter here, noun phrase. Now we will talk about adjective phrase. On the second number, adjective phrase. An adjective phrase is a group of words that acts as an adjective in a sentence. Example, flowers with good fragrance have been used for decoration. In this sentence, dark color words with good fragrance are telling the quality of flowers. In the second sentence, Rohan, a boy with courage, fought with the thief. Dark color word here telling the quality of Rohan. How can he fought? Now we are giving some more example. Underline the adjective phrases and circle the noun they modify. The girl in the pink dress is now known to me. The girl, noun phrase here. In the pink dress, adjective of phrases here means adjective phrase. In the second sentence, the watchman on duty that day tried to stop the thief from entering the building. In this sentence, the watchman, noun phrase, on duty that day, adjective phrase here. In the third sentence, the farmers from Punjab have cut their wheat crop. In this sentence, the farmer, noun phrase, from Punjab, adjective phrase here. In the fourth sentence, the fruits from our garden are fresh and tasty. The fruits, noun phrase here. And in the last, fresh and tasty is adjective phrase here. In the last and third point, adverb phrase. A group of words that performs the function of an adverb in a sentence is called an adverb phrase. Example, Mohan walked on the stage very gracefully. Very gracefully. Very gracefully here, adverb phrase. There are different types of adverb phrases. Adverb phrase of manner tell us how the action is done. Example, she smiled in a warm manner. Dark color word, adverb phrase of manner. Adverb phrases of place tell us where the action is done. We were looking for you in every possible place. Dark color word here telling about any place. And the third point, adverb phrases of time tell us when the action is done. Flowers emit fragrance during the day. Yani when? During the day. We can found these words by questioning when. Now identify the adverb phrase, its type, manner, time, place and circle the verb it modifies. Our team took defeat in a generous manner. Took is verb here. In a generous manner, adverb of manner. In the second sentence, I supported the Indian team with all my heart. Supported, verb here. With all my heart, adverb of manner here. In the third sentence, children like to play every evening. Children like verb here. And every evening, adverb of time. In those days, my dad used to keep long hair. Used to keep long hair. In those days, adverb of time here. So, we are giving some homework for the students. You will solve these sentences at your home. Circle the phrases in the following sentences and identify whether they are adjective, adverb or noun phrases. I looked for the pen in every possible place. The match will be held in this park. The carpet is made in India. I love to read comics. She is a girl of 5 years. The car moved at a great speed. We found him in the living room. The lady with golden hair is my friend. Points have cleared. Students, you feel any problem, you can ask. Okay, all the best.